take you down, would you really hold me down?
On your Galaxy Tab S7, there are two ways to use Samsung Dex. You can use Dex on your tablet in standalone mode to experience a desktop-like interface. You can also connect your Tab S7 to a monitor for a traditional Dex experience. To start using Dex in standalone mode, you'll need to add the optional book cover keyboard. Once your book cover keyboard is connected, hold down the function key and hit the Dex button to instantly launch a desktop-like interface where you can work with your apps in multiple windows. Using Samsung Dex on an external display gives you more space for multitasking. With either a USB-C to HDMI cable or a wireless Miracast-enabled display, you can take your work to the big screen. To get started, connect your tablet to the monitor using your HDMI cable. For wireless Dex, pull down the quick panel on your tablet, select Dex, and choose the display. Dex will now launch on your monitor, providing you a PC-like computing experience. You can also add a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for even more productivity. Just put your keyboard in pairing mode by following the instructions from the manufacturer. Then, on your tablet, navigate to Settings and then to Bluetooth to connect to your keyboard. Repeat this process to add your mouse. Samsung Dex allows you to accomplish more on the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus, whether you prefer a larger screen for getting work done or you want to share a presentation with your colleagues.